Hello, Professor Sharma. How are you?
I am good, but am worried these days.
Worried? About what?
About the cheating in exams. I can't understand how to stop it. You know, students are using high-tech mini devices for cheating. You cannot believe how they are cheating very easily. I remember how students using micro Bluetooth devices for cheating, which connected via outsiders' cell phone. Who reply L answers and students getting marks like minus by MBBS.
Oh my god, I cannot believe on my eyes. Finding this type of cheaters is really a very tough job.
Yes, you are right. Do you remember the last popular cheating case of AIMS? How they was using Bluetooth devices for scanning the question paper and receiving the answers.
No, I don't remember.
Come, I show you that case in a short video.
There have been certain irregularities that has come to light in admissions that has taken place through the internet, and with that let's get you more news related to education and the kind of irregularities that happen in Delhi. The Outer District Police have arrested 3 gangmen accused of masterminding the AIMS paper leak case. The gang, which used to charge 25 to 35 lakh rupees from aspirants, allegedly used a sophisticated software to email images of the question paper taken by 2 MBAs posing as PG aspirants using mobile phones and Bluetooth concealed in their shirts.
ये अपना एक फर्जी कैंडिडेट एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में बिठाते थे विद हाईटेक इक्विपमेंट। उसके पास एक स्कैनर होता था जो छुपाया होता था इन्होंने। उस स्कैनर की मदद से ये जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होता था उसको स्कैन करके मोबाइल के थ्रू कंट्रोल रूम में कम्युनिकेट करते थे। कंट्रोल रूम उस क्वेश्चन पेपर को क्रैक करता था और वापस उसके जो आंसर्स हैं वो जो इनके कैंडिडेट्स वहां पर बैठे होते थे जिनकी इन्होंने मदद करनी होती थी, जिनसे इन्होंने पैसा खाया होता था, उनको मोबाइल और ब्लूटूथ के थ्रू ये लोग भिजवाते थे और वो लोग जो एग्जामिनेशन का जो हल होता है उसको अपने कान में सुन के ब्लूटूथ की मदद से उसको वहां पर करते थे और बहुत ही अच्छे मार्क्स ले आते थे।
But you don't worry, I have the solution.
Tell me, what's the solution?
Solution is only one. That is Seguro, who is making world-class products for complete wireless solution. Their mobile signal jammer works very good. I have installed in my college. Now nobody can use these types of wireless device in my college. I suggest you should also install Seguro signal jammers and stop these exams scam.
Oh, that's great. I am just going to call them.